What's going on, beautiful people? My name is Angel here with Ivy Organics, and today I'm going to show you guys how to plant your tomatoes and keep them fruiting all season long. After that, we're going to show you the benefits of eggshells in your garden, and lastly, I'm going to show you how to make traditional Mexican salsa in a molcajete. What's up, guys? Angel here, proud member of Ivy Organics, where all of our products are innovative, effective, organic, and USA made. When I'm not gardening or working for Ivy Organics, you can catch me doing stand-up comedy. I'm an LA-based comic, but I also travel all around the country, so you can check me out, follow me on Instagram at Angel Hernandez Comedy. I'm putting my Instagram handle in the description below. Don't forget to check that out, and hopefully I get to see you guys at a show sometime soon. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to unlock the most amount of calcium from these eggshells and get them directly into your plants this growing season. A concern for many gardeners when using the eggshell method is introducing salmonella into their soil. Salmonella can actually live in your soil for up to a year if the eggshells are introduced with salmonella. When you buy eggs from the store, they're usually washed and they typically do not have that high of a chance of containing salmonella. If you're using eggs from your own chickens like ourselves, you should definitely be washing them. And if you want to take extra precaution, heat them up in an oven for maybe 3 minutes at about 150 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit just to clear out all the bacteria, and you'll be good to go. So these eggshells have already been heat treated in our oven and are good to go. Now the goal is to get them grounded down to the finest powder possible. You can use anything from a blender to a coffee grinder, but today I'm going to use the simplest possible method, and we're going to put these eggshells in this plastic bag. I'm going to beat it with a hammer. We're back with the tomato from the first video. I'm here with this grounded eggshells. As you can see here, they're down to the finest possible powder I could get them to. And we're gonna just sprinkle that all around our soil here. The addition of this calcium will help prevent a disease known as tomato blossom end rot. Now, let me show you some other plants this calcium is gonna benefit. You can apply it to your roses. This one here is known as purple splash. All citrus can benefit from calcium. This here is the Eureka lemon. And then look at these beautiful blueberries. As you can see, guys, calcium is extremely important as it's the building block for all plant cell walls. Just a reminder, Ivy Organics all-purpose fertilizer has all 6 macronutrients that every single plant needs for a healthy life. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, and calcium. If you found this video informative, be sure to give us a thumbs up and give this channel a follow and turn on our notifications so you never miss out on another Ivy Organics video. Stick around for the next lesson where we're going to be using homegrown tomatoes to make traditional Mexican salsa in a molcajete. Remember to keep growing with Ivy Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening!